The hidden truth of Japan. Why do Japanese people make noise when eating noodles? One surprising thing many people notice when they come to Japan is that Japanese people often make noise when eating noodles. In Japan, there's even a term, susuru, specifically for this slurping sound made when eating noodles. Why has it become common for them to eat noodles noisily? There are many opinions on this, but here are two reasons. First, slurping allows them to enjoy the flavor more. By slurping noodles, they also intake air along with the noodles, enhancing the flavor. Second, it's to eat noodles quickly. Japanese have loved soba, buckwheat noodles, for centuries. Since soba was fast food even back then, it seems noodles have been meant to be eaten quickly for a long time.